Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard First, Semester Second book. Page number 21, lesson number 11, Fish in the Pond. Fish in the pond. Pond means a small where water is stored. Small pond where water is stored, and we will see fish in the pond. Fish in the pond means fish. Fish, you know, कौन कौन खाता है fish? Do you know what is fish? Yes, fish in the pond. So, see here. This is a pond. It is a small pond. It is near the village. It is near the village. The name of the village is Wadi. The name of the village is Wadi. Take down the spelling of pond. Pond. Then small. Spelling of small. Near. Village. Name. Wadi. Name Wadi. Okay. Then many fish live in this pond. Many fish. Many. The spelling of fish. Some fish are red. Some fish are red. Some fish are blue color. Some fish are pink color. Some are colorful fish. Colorful fish. Fish swim, swim, swim in the water. In the water spelling. They splash, splash, spals, splash water on one another. Splash water on one another spelling. They run after one another. Children, the spelling of children, come to the pond. They stand near the pond. They watch, play. See here. This is a pond. It is a small pond. It is a small pond. It is near the village. The name of the village is Wadi. Many fish live in this pond. Some fish are red, some fish are blue, some fish are pink, some fish are colorful fish. Fish swim in the water. They splash water on one another. They run after one another. Children come to the pond. Children come to the pond. They stand near the pond. They watch the colorful fish. They watch them play. They watch them play. One day, a big fish enters the pond. Pond spelling is given, no, given already. Small fish are scared. SCARED, scared of the big fish. They run here and there. Here spelling take down. HERE here. THERE there. Some fish hide. HID, hide behind rocks. Some fish hide under. Okay. Some fish climb. CLIMB, climb on the rocks. The big fish cannot find small fish. She moves. MOVES, moves. She moves here and there. She is tired. Tired spelling. She leaves the pond. All small fish come out of their hiding. Hiding spelling take down. Hiding. Hiding. They began to play. Spelling of. They began spelling. The children watch the fish play. It is fun to watch fish play. Fish play. See here. One day, a big fish enters the pond. Some small fish are scared of the big fish. They run here and there. Some fish hide behind the rocks. Some fish hide under the rocks. Some fish climbs on the rocks. The big fish cannot find small fish. She moves here and there. She is tired. She leaves the pond. All small fish come out of their hiding. They hide, no? They were hiding, no? When the big fish came. So it was of their places. They all came out of their hiding. They began to play. The children watched the fish play. It is fun to watch the fish play. It is fun to watch the fish play. Some fish are colorful fish and all fish, people do not eat all the fish. There are some fish which are kept in aquariums here. This is the aquarium. It is water tank where you can put the fish. There are so many fishes are there, see. Fishes are there, no? Yes. So what they did? They were hiding. We can keep the fish in the aquarium for show. Okay. Now we will read the lesson and I will explain you the lesson. This is a pond. It is a small pond. It is near the village. The name of the village is Wadi. So there is a small pond where it is a small pond, not big, not very big. It is a small pond. This is a pond. This is a pond. You can see here, and it is a small pond. It is near the village. Near the village it is. Okay. The name of the village is Wadi. The name of the village is Wadi. Now, many fish live in this pond. Many fish. Not one or two. There are lot of fish in the pond. Some fish are red in color. Some fish are red in color. Some fish are blue color. Some fish are pink color. Some are colorful fish. Colorful fish are there in the pond. Fish swim in the water. What fish do? They swim in the water. They splash water on one another. Splash means पानी छिटकना. अभी जब एक फिश यहाँ से वहाँ जाता है, एक साथ के रहने के बाद वो एक दूसरों को पानी छिटकते रहता है. पानी उनके पर डाल देना. That is splash. Water on one another. They run after one another. They were running after one another. They were enjoying in the water. They were playing in the water. Okay. They run after one another. Children come to the pond. See here. The children came near the pond to enjoy the fish. Fish enjoying. They came there to enjoy themselves also, and they see the fish enjoying. Fish enjoying. They stand near the pond. See here how the children are standing. They watch the colorful fish. They watch them play. They are watching how the colorful fish are playing with one another. One day, a big fish entered the pond. One day, what happened? Do you know? One big fish. Can you see her? See her. Can you see? Yes. A big fish entered the pond. Some small fish are scared of the big fish. They all were scared. डर गए वो सब. Scared यानी to get afraid. Scared यानी डर जाना of the big fish. They run here and there. Some fish hide behind the rocks. Some fish hide under the rocks. Okay. Some fish climb on the rocks. So what they did, as soon as the big fish entered the pond, the fish got small fish there. They got afraid. they got scared. Array, now it will come and eat all of us. So what they did, they started hiding. They want to save themselves. No, they want to save themselves. So what they were doing, some fish hide. अभी उनको तो हाइड करना पड़ेगा, एक को हाइड करने के बाद एक कोई तो पेड़ के पीछे छुप रहा है, एक कोई तो पत्थर के ऊपर, वन इज हाइडिंग अंडर द रॉक्स, ये पत्थर के नीचे जा रहा है, कोई पेड़ के पास जा रहा है, कोई इधर उधर भाग कर अपना जान बचाने के लिए छुप रहे. सम फिश क्लाइम ऑन द रॉक्स. द बिग फिश कैन नॉट फाइंड स्मॉल फिश. नाउ द बिग फिश इज नॉट फाइंडिंग एनीबडी. अरे, वेयर ऑल फिश? हियर इज नो एनी फिश. शी मूव्ड हियर एंड देयर. शी इज टायर्ड. शी वॉज सर्चिंग everyone. Here, there, everywhere she was searching. She didn't find. She leaves the pond. मैं अभी यहाँ रह के क्या करूँ, मैं अभी निकल जाती हूँ बोल के वो निकल जाता है वहाँ से. The fish leaves the pond. All small fish come out of their hiding places. Where they were hiding, no? They all came out. कोई पेड़ के पीछे, कोई रॉक के ऊपर, कोई पत्थर के अंदर, ऐसा छुप रहे थे ना, सभी बाहर आ गए. Hiding places. They began to play. They again started enjoying. The children watched the fish play. The children were observing all this. उनको मज़ा आ रहा है. It is fun to enjoy the fish play. And when they will be enjoying, no, one day you also do the same thing. You also, if you go to your if you have this aquarium, you can observe. See, so nice. And we have to give them food also. We should not only bring and put them in the what you can say aquarium. We have to take lot of care for them. Not only bringing, keeping and over, observing how they are playing. When you are hungry, you require food, no? That way this also requires food. In the pond, what if anybody comes, they will throw something, they will find something in the water, they will be eating. Yes or no? Here what will happen? They are packed, so you have to give them food to eat. So now you also read the lesson and also write the words. Oral work. Which animals live in water? Yes. Which animal live in water? Who will answer me? Which animal live in water? पानी के अंदर जो एनिमल्स, प्राणी रहता है, उसको तुम्हें बताना है. Which animals live in the jungle? Which animals live in the jungle? Lion, tiger, cheetah, yes or no? Yes. Which animal lives in water? That is fish, crocodile, then tortoise. Which animals live in the water? Then, where do you find cows, buffaloes and goats? Where do you find cows, buffaloes and goats? Yes. Where do you find them? Cows. In home also you can find them. Yes or no? Where do the fish live? Where do the fish live? Fish live in water. Fish lives in water. What happens if we take the fish out of water? अगर तुम फिश को वाटर से बाहर लाओगे तो क्या होता है? फिश मर जाता है, क्योंकि उसका जीवन ही पानी है. उसका जीवन ही पानी है. डू यू हैव एन एक्वेरियम एट होम? तुम्हारे पास एक्वेरियम है? अगर है तो यस बोलना है, नहीं है तो नहीं बोलना है. हाउ डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ द फिश? You have to clean this one every day or 1 or the other day. You have to clean the aquarium. Then you have to give them oxygen pipe will be left. Again you have to give them food and all. Yes. Do you know मछली जल की रानी है? मछली जल की रानी है और जीवन तो उसका पानी है. पानी ही उसका जीवन है. उसको और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन पानी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर फिश। तुम उसको अगर बाहर निकालोगे तो बेचारा फिश मर जाता है, फिश मर जाता है। तो तुम्हें फिश का वो गाना, मछली का गाना आता है तुम्हें? मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी। उसको हाथ लगाओ छटपट के वो डर जाती है, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी। तो ये फिश का जो जीवन है वो पानी पे डिपेंड है, पानी पे आधार है। ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द लेसन चिल्ड्रन? देखो अभी मैं तुम्हें हिंदी में बताती हूँ। ये जो एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड है, छोटा सा पॉन्ड है, तो वहाँ पे एक गांव में एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड था, उस गांव का नाम वाड़ी था। तो वहाँ पे हर नमूने के फिश क्या होता था, रहता था, हर नमूने के कलर्ड। तो वो देखने के लिए गांव के बच्चे आकर वो कैसा खेलते हैं, क्या करते हैं, ये सब देखने के लिए आते थे। तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, उस बड़े पॉन्ड में बहुत बड़ा एक मछली आ गया। मछली आने के बाद अभी छोटे मछलियों को तो परेशान हो गई, अरे ये तो अभी हमें खा जाएगी। तो वो इधर उधर भागकर अपना जान बचाने छुप गए। जब वो बड़ी मछली ढूंढने लगा यहाँ वहाँ पे, उनको कहीं पे नहीं मिला। तो वो क्या किया, चलो इधर पे कोई मछली नहीं है, मैं अब यहाँ रह के क्या करूँ। तो वो अपना जगह छोड़ देती है और चली जाती है। फिर वो जो छुपे हुए थे मछली छोटे छोटे, वो सब बाहर आ गए। बाहर आकर उन्होंने फिर से अपना खेल स्टार्ट किया। तो बच्चे एंजॉय कर रहे थे। ओके चिल्ड्रन, वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो चिल्ड्रन, and the homework is already I have given, that is read the lesson carefully, write the words for 5 times, and oral work, page number 21. This is the homework for you. Okay children, bye, thank you, we will meet in the next video.